How to make a website for food and beverage industry using Squarespace platform. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make or create your website using this platform. So let's get started guys. You click on get started and here you can browse through a variety of templates where you can choose a pre-made template and add a little bit of adjustments, and you will save time and you will have your website ready to work with. Or you can always choose the blank template where you can create your website from scratch. So I always prefer to work with the pre-made templates to save time for doing other important things than building a template. So here you can filter by type and topic. So type, let's just leave it like that, and let's see if we can find the food topic. So here we have food. So let's select food and let's see what are the templates that we have in the platform. So we have this one which is for barbecue, and another one for nutrition, mindful nutrition or something like that, another one for food, documenting the very best in food and travel. Here we have the blank template that I told you about, that you can create your website on from scratch. Here we have some other food websites, so you can just choose one of those. So I'm going to choose this one or this one of them, because I really like their design. So I'm just going to check this one first. You click on preview and you click on view demo site to see the website in full width. Then you will be able to decide which one to choose. So here I can see that it's a blog about food and the recipes. So I think this is a pretty decent one, and also they sell a book, so it's a scalable website. So I'm going to choose this one. I think it's very good for me. So just click on start with this design and they will set things up for you, and then you will be able to give a title to your design right away. So let's give it a title. You can always skip that part, but for me I'm going to give it a title because I don't want to get mixed between my designs, because you can create more than one website with this platform. So I want to separate between them by giving them a title. So I'm just going to give it food industry as a title. Sorry about the lagging guys. And as you see, this is the title. You click on continue, then you close these tabs, close them, and this is our website. As you can see in here, we have here some variety of sections, and we are going to go through each one of them and explain it. So the first one is website, where you can add pages or change the ones that you already have. As you can see, it's pretty simple down here. Let's go back to home and let's move on to the other section, which is commerce, when you can add products or orders or inventory and manage that. You can add subscription, and if you are selling, you can change the ways you sell, from products to memberships to custom merch. We can go back home again and go move on to the third one, which is marketing, and it's pretty obvious. It's for your marketing, like setting your email campaigns, your SEO appearance, and setting your pixels for your ads and stuff like that. Also we are going to see the scheduling, which is for services. for booking appointments and meetings, and basically it's for people like the one that requires meetings and appointments. You can set here your schedule, set your availability time and stuff like that. Here we have the asset library where you can upload a picture or images to use with your design. You can just save them here. And let's move on to the other section, which is analytics. Here you can see your chart, your geography, your sales, your traffic, your conversion rate, your units sold, EOV, RPV. You can see all that. And then you can see profiles for the customers or the clients or the visitors that create their profiles in your website. Also, you can see settings where you can set your domains, your Google Workspace, and change your site availability from private to public. Also, you can change the site languages, and you can set also your store payments if you have a store. You can add your Stripe account, PayPal account, or your Squarespace account if you are from the United States, because it's not available in the other countries. And the last thing we're going to see is this edit button where we can adjust the template and edit our template. So we just wait for this to be in full width, and here it will show up an add section button right in the middle and another add block in the left, as you can see here, and this add section in the middle if you want to add another section like this. And if you want to edit the one that you already have, you just click on edit section. You will be able to change the image in the background. Here you can change the image or add another image, your video or art, or change colors. You can play with all these adjustments until you meet your requirements. Also, you can change text just by clicking on that. So it's pretty adjustable. You can adjust anything just by clicking on it. And last but not least, you can adjust your fonts or colors or animations or spacing or your buttons shape. You can change all of that in the site styles. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to give you a general idea about Squarespace. I hope you find the video useful. Give us a thumbs up and share the video with your friends for support, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will appreciate that.